One thing that we would like to cover is the added functions to be able to toggle all the panels, all the Jevero panels. So we have added, if we go over Rhino, the buttons to be able to toggle the panels here. So if you want to be quicker to hide the panels here, you can go over, for example, the grade panel, the grain label here, and if you click, it will go. So it will free up more space for you to work. And then if you need it, you can toggle and get it back without going over to the gear and finding the right thing. You can quickly access it here. Same thing, parts, properties. So I have pattern properties, excuse me. You can toggle and untoggle. For example, if you have it somewhere else, you see that it will disappear completely. So you quickly can hide all these panels. There is the same thing for, let's get them back, the parts panel. Parts panel was hidden and it will get back to us here, pattern parts. So these last three buttons, the last two here in pattern parts and the grading panel here.